All right, so do y'all have any questions for me about your last test? All right, if not, we are going to look at some examples from your textbook on page 581. We want to talk about bank discounts, and then we will move into our discussion on compound interest. So remember, there's still some fill in the blank notes that we were using for this section, but the discussion from the textbook isn't on those notes. All right, so we want to look at the textbook. Page 581, and we'll start with number 29. So this says that Julie borrowed $3,650 from her bank for 18 months using a 7.6% discount note. And the first part of this question asks, how much interest did Julie pay the bank to use its money? So here's the deal with the bank discount notes. You pay the interest for the loan up front. You can kind of think of it as a fee that the bank charges you to use their money. All right? So how do we find out the fee that Julie had to pay up front? Well, it is based on the percent that she was borrowing, so the percent of the discount note. So she wanted to borrow $3,650, and the discount note was for 7.6%. So how do we find 7.6% of $3,650? That would be our approach to answering this question. So what should we do to answer part A? Divide what?
The amount she wanted to borrow at 7.6.
Okay, so no, we don't want to divide that. First, what we need to do is we need to change this percent to a decimal. So we want to divide this by 100. So I didn't know if that's what you were talking about, honey. So we take the 7.6% means part of 100, so divide it by 100, which just moves the decimal place 2 spaces to the left, right? So it's equal to what? What'd you say, Layla?
0.076.
Yeah. Okay. So we can kind of think about this as like our interest rate, and that's the interest rate for this amount of money. So we would actually multiply 3,650 times 0.076. Do that.
277.40.
277.40.
.40. $277.40.
Okay, so is that what everyone got?